Stafford with Catalysis, and I'm here to talk today a little bit about tooling costs. Quality and timing is very important, probably maybe more important priority, but cost is also important. When comparing tooling costs, we're very confident of our cost competitiveness. And this is an example of a tool. It's a very simple tool actually until the customer added this logo. So we 3D print the logo. There's basically no cost for that, but it's a fully isotropic print, so it won't delaminate as maybe like a Ren tool would, so you can get thousands of parts off this tool. This tool was maybe $1,100 in 1 week delivery, so very fast delivery and low cost.